We're gonna make a very simple dinner tonight. It is called apricot chicken. Get you a pan and put some extra. Let's try that again. Get you a pan and put some extra virgin olive oil. I got about 2 pounds of chicken thighs that I'm gonna place in here. Got my hands washed. Now we're gonna cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and we're gonna season. I cannot talk. We're gonna season with some salt, pepper, and some rosemary. While that's cooking, we're gonna prepare the sauce that we put over the chicken. You need an onion soup mix packet. You'll need an 18-ounce jar of apricot preserves, a cup of this creamy French dressing, mix all of this up. Once your chicken has cooked on both sides for about 4 to 5 minutes, add your mixture on top of the chicken. Then just kind of make sure every chicken is coated with that. Once it is all coated, you will put your top on and you will cook it on a low medium heat for about 30 minutes. Alright, here it is. We roasted some broccoli and I cooked some minute rice, and then I sprinkled a little sriracha on top of mine. They're hot. But let me know if you try.